Hello Bad Planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I'm coming at you with a little bit of a haul. I've told you before that I've ordered some stuff from Black Friday and I was just waiting for it to arrive. A couple of those have arrived. That's these two kits and this one here. Studio Calico and Ali Edwards. I'm going to put those to one side. And then this is all the stuff that I bought from Dollar Tree earlier today. So let's dive in, shall we? So the first thing that I want to share is that I just bought the 6-hole punch from We Are Our Memory Keepers. This is a tool. It's for my December daily because I was sick and tired of punching individual holes, and I will be using the 6-hole punch in 2025 with Project Life, most likely. So I just thought, you know, I'm just going to get this. So I just bought this. I did buy it on the Black Friday, picked it up from Michael's last weekend. So again, tool. And then from Studio Calico, I just love the packaging. And if you look inside, look, there's some journaling cards in there too, printed on the inside. So cool, so cool. So I've got this. The kits, I think they actually are still $10 right now, some of the old kits. But yes, I just love the look of this one. And then funnily enough, the Story by the Month kit from Ali Edwards is basically emojis and stuff. So I've got a bunch of journaling cards. These are two-sided. This is Explore, smiley face, plaid, plus and minus. That's a nice journaling card. And these can be cut down into 3x4s or whatever size you need. Nice journaling card, keep moving forward. I like that as the days of the week. That's so cute. That reminds me of one of the Happy Planner books with the cherries and stuff. And then got Oh Happy Day. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. But I just loved the designs on this. Fun. Yes. Beach vibes. Love that. Love that. But this was just a summer kit that I just took a shine to it. I took a shine to it and I was like, yes, July. Summer. Fun. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that quite a lot. Road trip. Oh, that's lovely. You know that I like the bright and the colourful. Let's have some fun. Oh, yes. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is awesome. That is awesome. So they're all very, very cute, and I can cut them down should I need to. Again, the 4x6s will probably get cut down, but I can use them in Project Life. I can use them in One Little Word, any other projects that I'm doing. And then with that, oh, there's another one there. With that, I got sticker sheet, alpha sheet, which is annoying that you only get like 1A and stuff. Like, what the hell? Is there only one sheet in there? Because that's damn stupid. Yeah, there's one sheet in there. I mean, I love the fact that they give you alphas, but there's literally 1A, 1I, like 1E. How are you supposed to make words with that? A couple of sheets of the little boxes and then just a couple of little sticker sheets. I can use these in my planner should I want to. I can use them in One Little Word, Project Life, whatever. Lots of uses for those. And then there is chipboard embellishments. Again, these are summer, all themed. Fun, exciting. And then there's some little, I think these are vellum, little acetate pieces that I can just staple on stuff. Again, mostly will be memory keeping for Project Life. But yes, 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 and yes. But the whole kit was $10 and I got a stamp set with it. And this says summer. You got the positive and the negative there, summer. And then there's a little space in between. You see that? There's a little space in between the two M's. And then I guess the thing is that you can put sunny days, destination, state of mind, vacation, adventure. There's a little sun, go with the flow, sunshine. Oh, there's the little bar here. I just thought that that was really useful. And 2025 is the year of the stamp for me. So yes. And talking about year of the stamp, I also have this one. This was literally, that was all $10. This was like $1.50, I think. I think I paid $1.50 for this. And it's just got this cool like grid here There's reported on, the little envelope thing, the paper airplane, the today's news, good things take time. That just seemed a bargain for $1.50. And then there was this one. This is also a stamp set. This was $10 and it's a 4x6. It's got my word of the year on. And I just thought I'm going to embrace that with a stamp set. So again, that doesn't count to my budget. So that was the Studio Calico, and I will use this as well. I will use the packaging. And so yes, that was Studio Calico. And then I got these two from Ali Edwards, and I guess this is the heads up that I have been doing the inspirations by the month, which is the digital version of the monthly kit. I just changed to the physical version as a subscription. I'm not counting that to my budget because that is 2025. But this one is open. These were both contenders for my word of the year for 2025, and they're not now. My 2025 word came and hit me upside the head. So I've got open and make. These were also on sale on Ali's site, so go check those out as well. Open, I just love that, like ransom note style. That's cute. And I like these because I could use those as little 3x4 cards or as a full sheet, or I could fold it. Like there's lots of things I could do with that. And then there are some little journaling cards. There's all sorts of stuff in these. I think these were $10 again. Pretty sure these were $10, but open, closed. This is cool. Again, I can cut those up, use them as little 3x4 cards. I could cut them out completely and just use them on photos. There's some sticker words strips, chipboard. There's, I think these are acetates. And then again, I'm feeling this 3x4 journaling card. Again, it could just be that doing Project Life and December Daily has me wanting to do little pocket pages and stuff like that. Oh, and the little hearts. These are very similar to the ones that we had in the One Little Word kit. So there's 6x4 cards. I think these are single-sided. Yeah. So you got these. Again, you could use that as a 6x4, or you could cut it in half, use it as a 3x4, or you could just cut the things out and just use those. Lots of ways to use these. I love that. I love that. Love that. That would be great for the new year. Great for the new year. Great for 2024, 2025. Some ideas for that. Here for this. Story, moments and memories. Fresh start. Open. Story. Let's do this. Open arms, open hearts, open minds. See those? You could use it as is, or you could cut them up into little journaling strips. Burst open. Love. And I do, if you've seen my One Little Word, I do also, again, use this in my projects. Oh, and then there's a little acetate word, open. And then my other contender for 2025 was make. So I've got a little, I think this is felt word, make it count. There's some little rubber embellishments. I liked these because they were kind of crafty. Making memories, making it work. You got a little glue and scissors and then a tub full of pens and stationery stuff. Some acetate hearts there with gold trim. Again, these can be used for any project. For any project. And then little white sticker sheet. Again, got the journaling cards. Chipboard. It's pretty much the same, I'm going to say the same basis of journaling cards, chipboard, pattern paper. But yeah, I just love Ali's stuff. I can't help it. So a little quote, 3x8. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. But again, you can just cut it down and use it that way instead. Handmade with so much love. Every memory we create is a footprint on the path of a life we make together. Maker's gonna making a difference. Made for this. Again, I could just cut that down into two separate cards. I could cut the grey out around the corners and just mount that and use that as is as well. So yes, make good choices. Seriously, you can't make this stuff up. I make, made with, love those, making time for, currently making, this made my day. Chipboard, yes. Making space for something new, yes. And then there's, I think, 3 pattern papers. Now again, these are mostly going to be for one little word next year. So I've got making, oh, I like that, little plus sign. Making stuff looks like this, yes. So again, these were $10. Love, 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 and can we say love. So that was the 3 crafty things that I bought there. Now, what did I buy from Dollar Tree today? I picked up some storage. So I got a new planner cart. I have my black one. I got a white one. Right now it's got December Daily on it, but it will have my watercolor and art supplies on it, I think, moving forward. But what I want is somewhere to put stuff so that everything doesn't fall over. Because if you have a planner cart, you'll know, if you put something in there and then you store things, if you take the middle one out, then everything just kind of falls. It just folds. So onto some containers. These from Dollar Tree, they fit perfectly, and then you've got the rest of the little area. They just fit in lovely. If I remember, I will put a photo on the screen here when I have finished organizing my planner cart. And then I got these little ones for December Daily for storing little things and stuff like that. So this is just storage. Again, tools. I'm into tools right now. Tools, punches, stamps, stuff like that. I'm into tools. Now, some of this I've had to open because I didn't have a chance to film this until after I'd been crafting. So this is the dimensional adhesive, like the foam adhesive, and it's got 3 different types in it, 3 different widths. Now, usually I would buy this one. This one is about 1 inch, I think. This is about 1 inch. This is with the household stuff, the household supplies and car supplies and stuff. Yeah, that's like 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch, but you get more on there. However, I don't always need it to be that thick, and I don't like cutting it down. And now I've got it in 3 different widths. So this came kind of like this in the package of 3, and they're all different widths. I think that's 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and then 1/4 of an inch. But now I just have the width that I need. So much better. So I'm super happy with that. Again, $1.25, you can't go wrong. Oh, there's the other one. That's the usual one that I buy. Foam mounting tape. Again, 3/4 of an inch, and good. It's really good. I use it a lot, but I don't always need it to be 3/4 of an inch. Now, this is, again, storage. This is, again, in the tools section, the hardware section, and it's just for storage. I'm just going to put, like, my Brad's shaker pocket type stuff and stuff like that. I already have one, but I wanted to expand and do another one. I probably will end up with more, but I just wanted to see if this one would work right now. So that's for the storage. Now, the other thing that I bought, and I've already opened, is some twine, because I wanted to use the red. It had a red one with it, and again, it was December Daily. I didn't need these 2 because they were blue, but I wanted the red for December Daily, and yeah, now I have blue and blue, so there's that too. So, I don't know if they'll be in yours, but my Dollar Tree had these. It's a cutting machine pad. It's a Cricut mat. And I just thought for $1.25, if you know me, you'll know that my Cricut mats are disgustingly filthy and I need to wash them, but I just haven't got around to it. And I'm like, if I can just buy one for $1.25 and it works, I will be so happy. Now, it is thinner than the Cricut mat. Let me just get my Cricut mat. It's definitely flimsier. It's definitely flimsier. It's not as solid, but it does seem like it lines up. Time will tell. I will test this and let you know. It's definitely sticky. it's definitely sticky. It's definitely sticky. So yes, but for $1.25, I just thought it was worth a try. Even if I don't use it for my cricket, I can find other things to use it for. That I need to clean. Look at all the dog hair on there. I need to clean those. So if you're in the market for a new cricket mat and you're just like, I'll try it for $1.25, then there you go. All right, so the next thing that I got, these were in the kids section of all places, and they're poster stickers. So these are just red glitter vinyl, I think. I think they're vinyl, could be paper. Doesn't say. Yeah, the paper. The paper with the red glitter, but I thought that they would be ideal for December daily because red and glitter. Oh, the other thing was I don't think it had numbers. Yeah, it doesn't have numbers, but at least it has more than one A. 1, 2, 3, 3 A's at least, 3 E's. So yeah, for $1, they were worth picking up. I wish they were numbers, but for $1, well worth it. All right, what else did I pick up? I picked up wall decals of hummingbirds, and they're kind of like a little bit watercolory. Can you see these? They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. And double-sided. Again, I will say this and say this and say this, but these are fantastic for your planners and your journals. These are fantastic for planners and journals. They're just little hummingbirds. I love them. For $1.25, let's say I use 3 on a page. 1, 2, I get at least 3 spreads out of that. At least 3. I just love, 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 and love. All right, now the other thing, this will, I think Nilda and Christina might like these. I had a look through the kids stickers. I usually do that anyway, but I had a look through the kids stickers and I found this. Now it did have 4 sheets. One of them was sparkly. I have gifted that. That has gone to someone else. I've gifted it away. But look at those. Look at those. Beautiful. Can we say beautiful? So when it comes to Spider-Man Day, or any day, to be fair, I am ready. I am ready. Now again, with these, you do end up with the same images over and over again. Like, if you look at this, those are the 4 heads. It's the same. That's the same. So they will be the same images repeated. But I don't care. For $1.25, I'm willing to pick that up. All right, finally, I bought some vinyl because I don't know whether I've mentioned this, but 2025 will be 2 things. It will be the year of the stamp for me, and it will be the year of my cricket and doing more crickety things. That is a word, crickety things. And I like playing with vinyl and stuff like that. I've been loving the gold glitter for my December daily. So I'm just like, okay, I need to expand on my vinyl collection. And that's what this is. I did mistakenly pick up 2 pink ones. Didn't realize that I'd done that, but these right now are 50 cents each. That includes the glitter ones, the regular ones, and I think they've got iron-on as well. The iron-on ones, though, you don't get as much. You only get like a 12 by 12 sheet, I think. So I got all of these for $4. That's a bargain. That's a bargain because they're 50 cents each right now. Like at 48 inches in each thing, in each container, I can afford to make as many mistakes as I want on my cricket next year. That is the plan. All right, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed this and you got some use out of it. Again, I will try and link Studio Calico and Ali Edwards down below because their stuff is still on sale. And if you want to treat yourself for a little gift from Santa, then go ahead, treat yourself. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.